JEE Mains second shift 22nd January 2025. The first question is about molality by giving molarity and density. So we have a direct formula. Molality is equal to 1000 m by 1000 d minus mm dash. 2024 में भी इसमें दो क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे दो बार. So this is one very important formula. Directly apply 1000 m. This is molarity, density. This is molarity and this is molecular mass of the solute. Stability of carbocation. Whatever the groups are given here, we are not sure about this. Some are saying this is OME, this is OH and NO2. Some saying ortho meta positions are changing. Whatever it is, stability of carbocation is increased by plus R groups at ortho and para positions, and there should not be any kind of minus I or minus M groups. NO2 is strong minus I minus M group. It must be either it should be at para position. Whatever it is going to be the least one. OME is strongest one, plus R group and minus I. Okay, but plus R dominates here, so this is the best one. It goes first, then OH, then no group, and this is least. Stability of carbocation, very regular question. Himanshu Pandey में हम बहुत बार कर चुके हैं इसको. Statement 1. In corrosion of metal, the metal acts as cathode. This you need to check better. Statement 2. Alkaline medium increases rate of reaction. I am not sure about this question. Electrochemistry last में आप देख लो क्या क्या statement दिया है कि नहीं, but you need to go with this statement. NiDMG2 complex has how many hydrogen atoms or hydrogen bonds? This is again a confusion. If you take nickel, this is the nickel atom, and here this is one DMG group. Similar, one more DMG group will be this side. If you take like that, OH will be coming here, this will be hydrogen bond. O minus will be coming here, this will be hydrogen bond. If you are talking about hydrogen bonds, there will be two hydrogen bonds. If they are asking about number of hydrogen atoms, 3 plus 3 plus 1. In each DMG group, there are 7. So NiDMG means DMG minus only. DMG minus means dimethyl glyoxymato. One minus charge will be there like this. So number of hydrogens will be 14. If they are asking hydrogen bonds, that will be 2. 40 ml of 2M sodium hydroxide, 60 ml of 4M HCl. It is base, this is acid. When acid and base both are mixed, final molarity is equal to M1V1 minus M2V2 by V1 plus V2. 60 into 4, that is, which is a bigger number that you need to write first. HCl concentration is more here. 60 into 4 minus 40 into 2 by 40 plus 60, that will come 1.6. Direct formula based question. Now, in which of the following there are two secondary hydrogen atoms? Almost all websites are saying this question properly. That means this is a regular question. You see, this is very simple. I mentioned here number of primary, secondary, tertiary, all types of hydrogen and carbon atoms I am mentioning here. You need to check which contains two secondary hydrogen atoms, and this is that one. Very simple. Now you don't see these questions. You just see what type of questions they are asking. Fine. C6H6 is the molecular formula. It gives only one bromo derivative in presence of light, and it has 4 moles. It can react with 4 moles of hydrogen, and he is asking about number of pi bonds or number of pi electrons. C6H6, if you see, actually C6H14 is saturated compound. C6H6 means there are 8 hydrogens less. That's why it is reacting with 4 moles of hydrogen, indicating that there are 4 pi bonds, indicating that there are 8 pi electrons. Unless we know the proper question, we can't say, but this is easy question, simple basic question. Which does not show disproportionation. Again, one simple. Disproportionation means same atom should undergo both oxidation and reduction. Here, ClO4 minus is in the highest oxidation state of plus 7. So it can't undergo any kind of disproportionation. It undergoes only reduction. It can't undergo oxidation. So no disproportionation. Remaining all plus 5, plus 3, plus 1, these can undergo disproportionation. Intermediate oxidation states undergo disproportionation. Crystal field stabilization energy, it is more when the strong ligand is there. Of the given ammonia, ethylene diamine and ammonia, ethylene diamine is the strongest ligand because of the chelation and all. So this is the highest. Order is asked here. Then that you can check. Here cobalt plus 3 is there, and here cobalt plus 2 is there. When you compare with plus 3, number of electrons will be less. That means more number of electrons will be there in the T2G orbital, so more crystal field stabilization energy you can expect here. Then this is, and the tetrahedral will have least, so this will be least, because we know that 2.25 times octahedral values are more than tetrahedral values. Coming to dipole moment values, this is data based question. NF3, NH3 we know, NF3 is least and NF3 is the lowest one, then followed by HBr. H2S is more than these two and chloroform is highest. It depends on electronegative difference and all. Oxides of elements of left side of the periodic table are acidic, wrong. They are basic, sodium oxide, potassium oxide. Oxides of elements of right side gives acid, perfect. Cl2O7 gives you HClO4. Non-metal oxides are acidic. So this statement is right. Reason is right, assertion is wrong. So periodic table based question. Lassaigne's test is used for detection of nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, halogens is perfect. Lassaigne's extract is made with magnesium metal is wrong. It is made with sodium metal. Proper. I'm just seeing the different websites like Vedantu, Physics Wala and all, and I'm copying the questions. So maybe my handwriting is not so good here. But I wanted to give you the questions, so going bit fast. Radius of first excited state of helium plus in angstroms. Radius formula Rn is equal 0.53 into n squared by z. Direct formula. Toluene when treated with CrO to Cl2 in presence of CH to Cl2 and H3O plus, you will be getting their benzaldehyde. Okay, now chromyl chloride means this is a third reaction. I think you remember. Then this is first one, followed by NaHSO3. NaHSO3 when you are going, this is addition reaction and you will be getting this compound. Direct question. Morning time I have given 15 questions. 3 more questions were there in the morning time. 16th question, 17th question and 18th question. In that one question is about electrochemistry where some amperes are given. Give me 1 second of time. Let me check. Not much time. I don't take much time. Arjun Reddy. Arjun Reddy is one of my students. He has written the exam in the morning and he told me the questions. Electrochemistry question is 2 amperes electricity for 30 minutes. Aluminium mass he is asking. Morning time questions. This is 2 amperes into 30 minutes into 60. This is number of coulombs. Okay. And aluminium equivalent mass is 9 grams. 9 grams is deposited by 96,500 coulombs. So 2 into 30 into 60 gives how much? This is one question. Again formula based one. Radius of first excited state of helium plus. Okay, now this is again easy question only. And he mentioned for hydrogen he mentioned as A and he is asking, that is again simple formula like we were doing here. This is the formula. One more question he mentioned, that is nitrobenzene. Going for bromination first. So not easy, but you can go, no problem. Then tin HCl, that will become NH2. Then going for diazotization, N2 plus Cl minus. Then going for alcohol, C2H5OH. We know benzene diazonucleotide will be converted into benzene. So bromine is there, bromine will be as it is. So these 3 questions you were missing in the morning time. Thank you so much. This is your lucky sir.